See, I am GD Bedwatti speaking, SGF Managing Director now. Earlier I was a proprietor, now my son is CEO and myself Managing Director. We started my business in the year of 1993-94. Earlier also business was there in a small range, that is like a workshop. Then after that in the 93-94 we entered in the field. Then we started a small crane equipments from Bedwatti boy who has given the first order to us. Then later on it's grown like anything, and my career started with the TD Power Systems who has given the very good big orders, I can say. So first initially we have taken some old cranes from Kirloskar Industries, then we modified and fixed. After satisfying the customer, they given the good orders to us. We have got a very good order from one of the Japanese collaboration unit, 150 ton transfer trolley, 300 ton lifting spreader and 50 ton EOT crane. After that, one more Japanese company. From there we have got the battery operated transfer trolleys up to 40 ton to 40 ton and 20 ton and one more 30 ton. These projects, whatever the project we said now, these are all the stepping stones for our SGF Fab Industries and for the future growing process. Then later on we started one unit in Bommasandra, around 15,000 square feet area with all facilities, manufacturing activities. And then later on, after some times, we have started our second unit also in Vasantanarsapura with a 48,000 square feet area. And later on we started one more third unit at Bommasandra only, that is around 15,000 square feet again. So our total production is going very good, and we did very lot of improvement in the production. And my son has taken very initiative to get a lot of good orders from all over the India, out of country also. We have supplied some cranes to Sri Lanka as well as South Africa, Zambia, like that, and we are doing very good business presently. Yeah, after completion of my education, I came to Bangalore for searching a job. I got the apprenticeship training at HAL, and there are two students who are very, name created peoples. One is Mr. M.N. Nogesh and another one is Mr. G.D. Bedwatti. Actually, in the HAL history itself, they did not shifted the apprentices to one branch to other branch. They given me the apprenticeship in helicopter division. Then after 6 months, they shifted to aero engine division, which has been not happened in the history of HAL apprentices. But we have got that opportunity by the grace of God, I can say, and whatever the hard work we did in HAL. This is my journey started. Then after completion of apprentices, all my 51 batchmates are inside the HAL. I am the alone person came out from the HAL. And I started my journey with the private company, naming called Altroth Engineering, with 750 rupees of my salary, starting salary. Then later on, 11 years I worked for that company, then started my own small company, SJB Fab Industries. There were two partners were there, then later I removed them, and then SJF is started. Then one of my relative joined with us. Then after that, SGF started. SGF means, S means Suhail and Chalu, my son and daughter. G means my name, and F means my wife name and my mother name. So this SGF started a very good business. Yeah, initially I have faced a lot of problem because one main thing, financial problem, as well as to get the orders. Somebody has to trust us, then only we'll get the order. So we started with the water tankers manufacturing activity. My small workshop was there. There we started that, and then later on bigger stresses and heavy structural fabrication started. Finally, Bedwatti invited us to give some crane material handling equipments order. From there it started with the Japanese companies. Yeah, you asked a very good question actually. You see, when we started this Japanese company, they used to come and sit in our factory itself for the quality as well as designing aspects to check. At that time, my son has given me a very good support, and my subordinate designers, everybody, really, I am appreciating all. A single person cannot do anything. When the hand becomes like this strong, then only it is possible to do everything. Then financially, bank has supported me. Then we started our journey in a very good manner. One more challenging job only, that one. They came to know that initially I started with the Mukund. We have did some erection work. After seeing that work, some people of JSW, they called me and they invited me. Then I entered. I requested them to give a crane. First initially 30-meter height uplift, bigger challenging crane only. It's a 12-meter hoisting speed. Then we succeeded. Then continuously they appreciated our quality. Continuously they started to give the orders. Now presently, in this whole year, around 25 to 30 crores rupees order we did JSW only. You see, actually, I am looking after the production only, and because of my experience and my knowledge, I used to guide to everybody. Since from the drawing making, design aspects, that I know little bit about the design aspects also, and we studied the IS standards fully, thoroughly. Then later on DIN standard. Like that our team, they trained up in such a way, now they can do anything. We have got ANSYS report, making a ANSYS report, design facility also with us nowadays. Earlier which we don't have, now we have got. Yeah, you see, when we got the certification of ISO, due to our whatever ISO standards we are following, and IS standards also we are following. Certification I am talking about the ISO, and we are following IS standards. We are maintaining our very good quality, and myself personally I used to involve in the productivity. Always look after the production, main important, and design one aspect. Second, it comes to the production. Even my all engineers they are qualified, and we are giving the trainings to them. Everyday activity we are involving in the productivity. That is why our quality is totally different from comparing to others. SGF is the people of quality and safety is our main motto and our agenda. That is why SGF is different from other companies. And whatever technical specs what we are going to submit to the customer, always we are following that. We are not deviating anything from the quality. That is why SGF is different from other companies. Our cranes are not machines only, they are solutions. Now already we have did all type of material handling equipments like single girder crane, double girder crane, jib cranes, transfer trolleys, Goliath cranes, gantry cranes, all type of cranes we have made already. And even though next for the future, my CEO and my son, he will look after the new generation products and new designing aspects. He will look after. I will bless to him. I will pray to God to best of luck to him, and let him take care of SGF Fab Industry forever, forever, forever.